Welcome back to another video, y'all. But this video, real quick, simple install. Bought these in June 2021 and just not getting a chance to install them because these tabs on the bumper are made, and if you haven't seen it before, when I get on installing, you see the whole bumper, the tabs were messed up. So I just went ahead and got some plastic bonder, JB Weld, set it up, and we're gonna get them installed. Okay, so I don't have any tripod to put the camera on, but as you can see, I got that clip in there, which are these, and I'm putting these screws in to hold that in position. Another one will be up here also to hold it in position. So basically 2 screws. This clip at the bottom is basically holding it in place. This one over here is holding it in place. So just 2 screws holding them, and they'll be right at the end. I'll be able to see in there, but it's touching at the bottom. So I don't want it to go through in case of the light. But you guys pretty much get the idea. There they are installed. Can't believe I waited so long to do this. But I'm going to take it out in the sun, show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so here it is. Unfortunately, somebody backed into a bumper that was not in a car. I'm not going to call his name. Cracked it. But other than that, it's looking pretty good. Alright, so day 2 of dealing with the fog lights. Alright, we're mounted, got wire harness, but each fog light has 2 sockets. As you can see, I already got these put in, trying to measure the wires, the distance and all that. The harness I purchased only came with 1 H11 plug, if that's the correct term for it. So the one from the OEM harness, I went ahead and cut it up. I took the 2 that I needed, and I'm just gonna wire them in together. If needed, we can always up the relay, size of the fuse. And here we have it. Bulbs are in, harness is done, tucked nicely. Nice and clean. Comes up from junction here up to where I have a quick, I'm gonna say connect whenever I have to take the bumper off. Right here. So I don't have to undo the bulbs themselves. Then this comes up into fuse, then relay comes up, which in turn, I'm gonna have my ground, power, and ignition source. So, once the engine is in the car, we're running again, we fire them up and see exactly how they look. So one last time, side markers are in. I'll flip the bumper around here in a minute and show you. But, clean install, wires tucked away. This ready to be run up into the engine bay. And let me flip the bumper around. And here's the bumper. Side marker lights, nice and clean. Fog lights. I don't know if you can see the bulbs. Yep, 1, 2. There it is. I just love the way the light reflects off of it. Man. Alright guys, appreciate you watching, taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. I hope this helps somebody doing fog light install in their vehicles, how to get everything run. So there you go. That's pretty much it. Please subscribe if you haven't, comment, and hit a like if you do like this video. All right, so thank you so much, and there you have it.